What's your name?
I am Alisa.
Well done, Alisa. Alisa, I have the book Red and One. Which one do you want to sing? Which one? Oh, red. Okay. So we have red.
Red.
Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Do you like red? Yes, I do. I like red hats and red shoes. Do you like red? Yes, I do. I like red balls and red wings. Sing louder. Do you like red?
Yes, I do. I like red balls and red
Zoo?
Do you like red? Yes, I do. I like red balls
And I like you. And well done, Elisa. So, Elisa, can you please sit down? Okay, so now tell me, what color is the hat? What color is the hat? Is it blue?
No.
What color is?
Red.
Red. What color is the ball?
Red.
Red. What color are the shoes?
Red.
Red. What color are the balloons?
Red.
Good job. Do you like red?
Yes, I do.
Well done. Can you point to something red on the table? Can you point to something red on the table? Okay. So which one is red? Which one is red? Which one is red? Is it red?
Yes.
Well done. Okay, so we have many songs here. We have 10 Little Monkeys, Hello Song, Where, Goodbye Song, Good Morning Song, and 5 Little Elephants. Which one do you choose? 10 Little Monkeys? Okay, 10 Little Monkeys. And sit down, sit down. Okay. Then 1 little, 2 little, 3.
There's no monkeys. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little monkeys. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little monkeys. 10 little monkeys.
Playing in a tree. So now, Alisa, how many monkeys in the tree? How many? Are there 5 monkeys? Are there 5 monkeys in the tree? No. So how many monkeys? How many? How many?
1,
Oh, just 1 monkey? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So how many monkeys? 10.
10.
Good job. 10 little monkeys. Are they monkeys big or little? Big or little? They are little. Yes, they are little monkeys, right? Okay. So next one. We have friends, monkey and zoo. Which one do you want to say? Oh, monkey. Okay. Let's stand up. Let's sit down. I'm ready for you.
Zoo.
Oh, it's a monkey. Do you want to say zoo? Zoo or monkey?
Zoo.
Okay, zoo. So this one is zoo. Zoo here. Okay. Yeah. Zoo. I like the
Animals at the zoo. I like the kangaroo.
the zebra and
The
the
kangaroo.
So what is this?
Kangaroo.
Oh, the kangaroo, and this is
Zebra.
the zebras, and this is the.
Zoo.
Do you like to go to the zoo?
Yes.
I do. So what animals do you like, zebras. Well done. And now, Alyssa, we will say a story. So we have many stories in the book. We have what do you see? Do you want to say what do you see? How animals play? Or what do you see? Are you ready?